Honourable members, I welcome you to this afternoon sitting. As you will note, we have now come to the tent, having moved first from the parliamentary chamber to the conference hall and now to the parking lot. This to ensure that we are able to accomplish our obligations within the Constitution, but at the same time to keep safe. We are getting support from the Ministry of Health, and all the members will be issued with masks to enable them to participate comfortably in the proceedings. Now, other members, an impression has been created that we don't want to go away, but we are not here because we want to be here. We're here because we have constitutional obligations which we need to accomplish. Part of the work this week will be to actualize Article 152 of the Constitution dealing with taxation. The Constitution under Article 152 provides that no tax shall be imposed except under the authority of an Act of Parliament. So it's only Parliament that can impose those taxes. So we are due to debate the Income Tax Amendment Bill, Stamp Duty Bill, the VAT Bill, Tobacco Control Bill, etc., etc. These will be brought to us by the Finance Committee. Additionally, we are going to sit under Article 155.4 to receive and process the reports from the Budget Committee. Article 155.4 provides as follows: at any time before Parliament considers the estimates of revenue and expenditure laid before it, by or on the authority of Parliament, an appropriate committee of Parliament may discuss and review the estimates and make appropriate recommendations to Parliament. So we shall receive these from the Budget Committee. Third, under Article 156.1, the heads of expenditure contained in the estimates, other than expenditure charged on the consolidated fund by the Constitution or any Act of Parliament, shall be included in a bill to be known as an appropriation bill, which shall be introduced to Parliament to provide for the issue from the consolidated fund of monies necessary to meet the expenditure and the appropriation of those sums for the purpose which shall be specified in that bill. So we shall also be debating the appropriation bill. Now, honourable members, on your behalf, I would like to extend our appreciation and commendation to the health workers who have been at the front line in the battle to contain the spread of the COVID-19. We note that a number of Ugandans have been cleared, some have been discharged, and quite a number who are in quarantine have also gone home. So I want to really thank our health workers for a job well done. I want to add that we are also supporting the Ministry of Health. In addition to the ambulances, the parliamentary fleet of buses and coasters has been placed at the disposal of the Ministry of Health to transport the health workers here within Kampala, as you know, many of them do not have transport. So that's also the contribution of Parliament. Now, the last matter has to do with the MV Karangara, our ferry, which has been taken to Mwanza for service. I don't know when we shall develop our own capacity. Since 2015-2016 financial year, we have been waiting for the establishment of the Maritime University in Namsagari. I've checked with the Budget Committee and I understand it's not even provided for. 5 years after a decision was taken by the Parliament that this should be done. If we had our own Maritime University, we would not have to send our ships and ferries to Tanzania for simple things like servicing. But here we are, and I do hope that the Budget Committee will take note of this long outstanding pledge by the government to establish the Maritime University. Thank you very much.